In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export members in Miz Teams. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Microsoft Teams and your Microsoft account to download your team's contacts as a file you can save or share. This works best in a web browser, so start by opening the Microsoft Teams web app and signing in with the account whose contacts you want to export. Once you're in Teams, look to the upper right corner of the screen for your account manager. This is the small profile image or initials icon that opens your account menu. Click that profile icon to reveal more options tied to your signed-in account. From the menu that appears, select My Microsoft Account. This will open a new tab for your Microsoft account dashboard. If you're prompted to sign in again, make sure you use the same account you're currently using in Teams so the export pulls the correct data. On the Microsoft account page, find the Privacy section on the left side of the screen. You may see it labeled as Privacy or Privacy Dashboard, depending on layout, but it will be in the left navigation. Click Privacy to open your privacy controls. On the Privacy page, scroll down until you see the area labeled Find Privacy Settings in Microsoft Products. This section groups privacy options by product, which is exactly what we need. Keep scrolling until the product tiles appear. In that list, click the tile for Teams. This takes you to the team-specific privacy and data export area, where you can manage what data is available and request exports for certain items tied to your Teams account. Here, look for the option to export your Teams contacts and click Export Contacts. After you click, Microsoft will begin preparing a file of your contacts. Depending on the size of your contact list, this may take a moment. Stay on the page until the export starts or the download prompt appears. When it's ready, your browser will download a file, typically in CSV format, which you can open in Excel or import into other tools. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Confirm you're signed in with the exact account that has the contacts you need, especially if you manage multiple Microsoft accounts. If you don't see the Teams export option, it may be restricted by your organization's settings or not available for certain account types. Also, remember that exported contacts usually include the people you've added or interacted with in Teams. It won't change anything in your Teams app, it just creates a copy for your records. Keep the file secure since it can include names and contact details. That's it, your Teams members list is now exported and ready to use.